Hey, Sonny here. So today I want to open up this new speaker I got. It's the Logitech Blue, and this is Sally's helping me right here. So I had to get a mic because my Logitech mic that comes with my webcam is not working well. It's like this noise suppression keep interfering my sound and make it go up and down. My volume keeps going up and down, and that's like a phase effects coming in. So the separate mic will probably help to get rid of that problem instead of using the webcam mic. So this is the box. I'm gonna open it up. Actually, I want to tear the tape apart. Just kind of want to do a video and show you what is inside. So once you open it, there is the USB cable that you attach your mic to your computer. And then you got the little stand, and you screw the mic on top right here. And you got like a quick instruction, pretty easy, warranty. And then you pull this thing apart. There's really nothing inside. And then the inside right here, we get the actual mic. It's pretty cool looking. Got it for $40 at Micro Center. So, it's like this. It goes right in here. Pull this out, and I guess we'll take the stand out. Just screw that on. And then the USB, you go from here to the computer. And it's good to go. So when whatever tools you want to use to record, just make sure that the mic shows the blue mic instead of the webcam mic or the computer mic. Make sure that's an option you can actually change it. You can drop down. Usually when you go into app, there's a drop down menu where you can choose a different mic. Make sure you select the mic for the blue. The Windows 11, that's what I have. Windows 10 will recognize the mic, and we'll have the driver for it. So that's it. Really, there's nothing to it. There's nothing to install. Windows will take care of everything. Very simple setup, and it's ready to rock. So here's the blue Logitech mic. Pay $40 for it, and we'll see how it works.